Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. At the end of the video, if you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe so you'll get a notification of when I post another video, and also share it. Really appreciate it. So, got a bunch of amps here. I have more boxes. Fortunately, I have to get back to the amp repairs. That takes priority over the build. I'll get back to the 6-meter amp and get that done ASAP. But right now we have a Kenwood Tl-922. Had a bad tube. One of the tubes had a plate to grid short. So pulled those out. Did all the modifications, checked everything out. This has 160 through 10 meters. The 10 meters is stock in this one. So I'll go ahead and show you everything I did. He ended up getting a brand new set of Pentalab tubes. Awesome company, great product, no complaints whatsoever. I recommend them 100%. So added the strap over here, added the series glitch resistor for the plate supply. The air variable plates are nice and clean, no arcing at all whatsoever on either one. So, also the meter protection diode. I'll flip it over and I'll show you the bottom. Be right back. Okay, I'm back here with the bottom. Changed the electrolytic cap. Grounded the grids. So you can see the old choke right here. It's all congealed into one. Did the self-bias modification over here, which protects the filament transformer winding if you have a grid to filament short. The original resistor cracked when I disconnected one leg of it, so I replaced it with a new 100K 1-watt resistor. Band switch is nice and clean, has the original band switch. Added the strap over here, had to remove the cap over here and the cap at the base of the plate choke to get this in. Clean the output rotary switch with deoxit gold. Clean the input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Check the SO239 connectors. This thing's good to go. Want to make note, someone changed this relay at some point. So they hit the wire here, the jacket, the coax. It didn't go through, but you can tell it's been changed. They melted the wires pretty good over here and over here, but it's good, so I'll leave it alone. But I can always tell when someone's been in something. So they must have had the relay fail and they changed it out. Okay, so I also loosened up the strain relief, pushed the line cord in, and then tightened it back up. So that's about it. If you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. I service all the amplifiers you see on my YouTube channel. If you are looking to have a custom project done, like the 6-meter monobander, give me a ring, and we can see if I can help you out, like a multi-band HF box or another monoband 6-meter. So thanks for watching. Once again, my website is amprepairguy.com. My phone number is 203-892-4119. Take care.